Hey everyone, my name is Sean and welcome to Geeksvana. Today we're going to be talking about the awesome DJI Mini 2 and giving you my 5 tips to make the drone even better. So we've all been having a lot of fun with the DJI Mini 2, and with recent updates and more stick time, there are a lot of tips and tricks which can help you get the most out of the drone. These are 5 of my tips, but I would also like to hear yours. Let me know in the comments what tips and tricks you have for getting the most out of the Mini 2 and share them with everyone else. Tip 1. The Mini 2 comes with a chunky controller with a chunky battery inside. As yet I've not managed to deplete the charge much whilst out flying with my 3 batteries. So one thing I did was turn on the phone charging to keep my phone topped up whilst it is connected and running the app. This can be very helpful and saves the phone getting drained, needing charging before you go home or drive somewhere else. The charge is there, so you may as well use it. To turn this on, simply go into the app and go into the control section. Go down to the phone charging, then simply toggle the tab until it lights up blue, and your phone or tablet will now get a charge from the Mini 2 controller. Tip 2 is another one from the app, and this time is focused on the gimbal. Doing this allows your gimbal to move upwards by 20 degrees, giving you more motion and control. To set this, you again need to go into the app and the control section. Scroll to the setting which states allow upwards gimbal rotation, and again toggle this setting to blue. Now you have even more control and possibilities from the Mini 2 camera gimbal. My third tip for getting the most out of your DJI Mini 2 is a way to quickly transfer videos and images from the drone itself to your phone or tablet to allow for quick upload to social media or however you want to share it. At the back of the Mini 2 is this blinking button. Press and hold it until it turns blue. You will then get a pop-up message on your phone or tablet to take you to a system to allow you to download media from the drone. Tip 4 is all about the zoom. You can use up to 2x zoom in 4K and 4x zoom in 1080p whilst recording video. To get the smoothest shots, you can do the same as you can with the Mavic Air 2 and press the function button on the shoulder and then move the scroller below it to get the smooth zoom motion. This can add a little creativity to your videos or help you check out locations. That brings us to tip 5, which is using manual camera controls for capturing both video and picture. You can change both the ISO and shutter speed quickly and easily via the app. This is a simple way to improve your content, especially when used in conjunction with ND filters, which, as an added bonus tip, you can use Mini 1 ND filters on the Mini 2 without issue. So there you have it, some of my favourite tips on getting the most out of your DJI Mini 2. We've a lot more of these tips, and if you like this video, I'll make more focused on both the quick tips and some more in-depth tutorials. Remember to let us know in the comments below which of these tips you use regularly, as well as share your own for everyone else to use. Also, if you're new here, hit the subscribe button, and I'd really appreciate it if you could hit the like button if you're still watching. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.
Wouldn't this just make like an amazing hat for like Comic-Con? What do you think? The show's over, guys. I mean, there's nothing to see here. You just keep invading my privacy, and it just can't carry on. It's embarrassing.